guys. Today we are talking about how to cut or trim video in Premiere Pro. This is a very easy and simple task. You can see video on my timeline. This can be done very easily with a razor tool. Select the razor tool for that. Now you can click and cut where you want in the video. This way you can cut even a few places where you like. To remove unwanted partitions, select the selection tool and select delete unwanted partition. This way you can trim through the selection tool.